Hi, I'm Adele and I'm going to take you through all my favorite spots in Santa Monica as the city reopens. Palisades Park runs along Ocean Avenue to the Santa Monica Pier with expansive views of the Pacific Ocean. This is a statue of St. Monica for whom the city is named after. Heading up Wilshire, we see the electric scooters are back and littering our streets. Inside the courtyard of the historical Miramar Hotel is the second largest fig tree in California. And here's our super cool all walk where you can walk all directions at once. Entering the Third Street Promenade, we see that the stores are reopening, and today is Saturday, which means the farmers market is here. At the end of the promenade, we are greeted with the Santa Monica Mall. Heading back on 4th Street, you can see all the boarded up shops and beautiful Black Lives Matter artwork. The last stop is my favorite deli, Bay Cities. And then we finished off our day by going down to the beach to watch the sunset over the Santa Monica Mountains.